Alright, guys, this is how Copper wakes Rachel up in the morning, and I wanted to capture this to show because I think it's adorable. You ready for this? Copper's. More. What's up? What's up, what's up, Rachel? It's time to eat again.
Already?
Copper thinks that you're hungry.
Is it snack time, bud? You're
Snack
my
time.
little snack time buzzer.
I'll go get some food. I'll be right back. You guys can hang out.
We'll be bonding.
You bond.
I love this dude. I love him so much. I love him. I missed him.
Alright, I'm gonna go get you some food. Love you, sweetie.
Hey guys, in California right now, we're experiencing a bit of a heat wave. So bad that I had doctor's appointments yesterday and even today on a Saturday. And I was trying to even make it to the car, and Rod had brought me back. I mean, you can see I'm not even meaning to do that, but that's how hot it is. So getting back to get refreshed and everything. So I just wanted to let everyone know what's been going on and know that I keep fighting no matter what, even when I don't want to, and keep eating even when I feel I can't anymore. It's my medication right now, and not a lot of people think, they go, you're so lucky you get to eat whatever you want, and I wish it would work that way. And so I'm trying to get in everything I can and pull myself out of this mess that I did so many times. People have asked me, like, how could you do this to yourself? And there's no good response, really, other than, people who've been abused. Sometimes we recreate that. I know I have recreated that same environment, and I'm not going to play a victim. It's time to get tough and get moving. So all you people out there who are fighting through whatever you're going through, dude, I'm with you. I'm with you. So stay with me on it, because we're gonna make it.
Let's go get some water, girl.
Yeah.
Let's go get cool.